Hello everyone, my name is Ethan Oliver Sherwood. Today I'm going over the Java final project, creating the War card game. The War card game is a card game for two players. It has a standard deck of 52 cards that is dealt to both players, so they both have 26 cards. In War, generally each card has one of 13 possible predetermined values, ranging from 2 all the way through ace. So first here, I want to go through the classes. We have game runner. This is just going to be what starts the game or creates the new game. Starting at the top, we have card. This is how we're going to create each individual card. This isn't going to create the rank or the suit, or this is going to create the card itself, so we can put the rank and suit on there. Um, so as we can see down here, uh, this will be the displays on the card, the rank or the suits on here, and or yes, the ranks. My apologies, and then the displays will have the suits on there as well. And whenever the cards are flipped, or I guess flipped, like in the actual card game, um, it will be displayed on in the code as well. I believe that would be in deck though. So this is the deck code. So here we have a shuffle deck, and then get card count just to keep track of the number of cards, um, and then deal cards out to you and to the CPU as well. Um, Next, we have a game. So this is where we're going to get um, all the information. The player, the CPU player, start game. You could play this with two people. It'd be a little difficult and not really playing it, but you could. Um, so whenever the CPU wins, um, it will say that the CPU has won. If there is a bound winner, I have it set to where it will print out last round. It'll go to 27 rounds. Um, let's see, deal 26 cards to each. Um, Most of the time, though, during the practice that I've done for this, there's not many wins. It's a lot of drawing going on. Um, then next on to the hand code. So this is the hand code, add card to the top, and then remove card from the top, removes cards from the last index of the array. And then the player, this is how we created the player, and there's the card flip, which is set to return null. And then the print util. This is where I print majority of the messages that are displayed. So the system out is going to print. It's a war of cards. Uh, when the game reaches 25 rounds. Actually, I think I have that set to 27. So let me change that real quick. Max rounds 25. So let's change that to 25. And then back to print util. Reaches 25 rounds. It's you against the CPU. So I'm going to have it to where you can enter your name, indicate when you're ready. All you have to do is select enter, and then it will proceed playing the game. Um, let's see, print util. Here is the rank of the cards. This is representation of 13 possible ranks in the standard deck of cards, where 2 is the lowest value and the ace is the highest value. Ace represented by 14, of course. And then for the suits, this is going to be the diamonds, spades, clubs, and hearts. This just represents the 4 suits in a standard deck of cards. So I will go ahead and run this here so we can see what I was talking about. So see, it's a war of cards. This game's automated. We'll play through one deck until one deck is empty, or the game has reached 25 rounds. It is against you against the CPU. So all you have to do is enter your name and indicate that you're ready by hitting enter. So I'll go ahead and enter my name here. All right, so Ethan Oliver Sherwood, let's play. So Ethan Oliver Sherwood, so this is round one. Cards in hand, CPU, cards in CPU's hand, and round winner. So here, round one, I drew a 7 of clubs, which meaning I have 25 cards in my hand. CPU played a king of spades. That means the CPU won. Uh, because the king is worth 13, I believe. Yes, 13. So I have that all the way going down, and see right here is where I stated that I had it going into the, or where it prints out last round on there. And then, like I said, the majority of these games that I've come across, majority of them are draws. So there's not many where there's a clear winner. Game is ended in a draw. We'll try it just one more time just to see. No, that also ended in a draw. But so this is the code for the final project for the war card game. I appreciate you watching and taking your time. If you need any, if you have any questions, just let me know. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.